Figma launched some updates in Figma config, and also Figma now has some kind of AI agent that help you design things in Figma. And today we're gonna check, will it work in email design, and can the Figma agent design emails in Figma. And we're going to try different experiments. We're using components from scratch and so on. And then we're going to try export these HTML email templates with Markup plugin and see how it works, and can we use Figma agents in email design. Okay, let's get started. First, let's try to create a simple welcome email from scratch and see the result. Okay, I entered design a welcome email for CS product, 600 pixels wide, so using auto layout, and let's see what we will have. Okay, now we have some email with some cool parts, text, auto layout, button, some links and footer, and also Figma inserts some social icons. So let's try to preview. I didn't make any changes, and let's try to preview this email using Markup plugin. To run the plugin, you can find this in the Figma in the video description, or find in the Figma community. And it works surprisingly well. So because Figma made it with auto layout, mobile version works perfectly well. So it looks fine with dark mode. Let's select the button, then switch to the properties section and switch it to the button. And here we can insert some link. And also we can add link to the images, to the social icons, like so. And so it's better than I expected. Let's try another example. So for the next experiment, I have duplicated the ultimate email template collection from Figma community. It is a free Figma file that has a lot of different email templates that you can use in your email design. So let's try to run agent and inside this file and ask the agent to build email using the components from the file. So I asked AI agent to build 3 email templates for SaaS using the emails from components from this file. So let's see how it works. Okay, it took around 3 or 5 minutes to do it, and Figma agent designed this kind of email using components from the file. As you can see, there are a lot of components here, and this is the result. Okay, let's try to preview it with Markup plugin. So it seems like the template need some adjustments, for example, for the columns, but in general, it looks fine. So okay, let's ask agent to build some promotional emails, like welcome emails and so on, and see how it works. So this is what we have. After a couple of minutes, I asked an agent build promotional emails using components from top section, from this section, and here what we have. I like that the agent used the same header component, and footer also looks the same, And in general, emails, it's a good start and it can be updated. And the good part that every email has auto layout, which is perfectly for the markup plugin. For example, this email, if you want to use this email, we only need to update this part to make these columns resizable. To do it, we can simply select the parent component and use this option and try to preview one more time. And now these columns will go like so. So this is better than expected, but it seems like we need to use more tokens for better result. So let's try to ask an agent to rewrite one of the existing email templates. And as a source, we're going to use HubSpot newsletter email templates that are available in Figma community, which you can find in the description of the video. Here are a couple of templates, and let's select this template and ask agent to replace content and build maybe some variation of this template. Create variations, layout, style of fonts, and text and images. So let's see. We have some design ready, and now agent generates. Now agents are generating some hero images. Overall, it looks cool and interesting, and it uses different fonts, different styles. It uses auto layout. It uses some interesting button style, and it uses consistent colors, different styles. And I think it's super good thing for experimenting with design. So let's wait until images will be ready. As you can see that Figma agent also reuses the original image, original bottle. This is a clean design and clean image, fancy design, bright colors and layout. So let's try to preview an email and see how it works. So Figma uses auto layout, Figma agent uses auto layout, and with auto layout, everything works perfectly with markup plugin. And this email can be exported as HTML templates. Let's try to send, I didn't make any changes in the email, and let's try to send this email with the plugin in the real inbox and see how it works. So this is the same email in the Apple email client. So it looks perfectly well. Let's see how it works in Gmail. This is how it works in Gmail. And this is better than expected. I didn't make any changes in the what did agent. I exported it as is with the markup plugin. So I think, in my opinion, all these experiments works well. So we have created a email from scratch, and it works well. So I think with a couple of iterations, it will look better. Then we're trying to use email templates library. It works, and I like the most different variation of the same email, and all the emails work perfectly with the markup plugin. So please let me know what do you think about the Figma agent, and we're going to try more experiments later. All link will be in the description.